Hi friends, today our topic is hybridization in carbon atom. Before this lecture, I had made the lecture of hybridization in which I had told about various compound hybridization that you can calculate it by a beautiful trick. If you had not watched that video, then that video link is given in below in description box so you can watch and get that trick. So today our trick is how to find hybridization in carbon atom. In that video I had not told about hybridization in carbon atom. So today we will discuss about hybridization in carbon atom. By using that trick you can calculate hybridization in only 3 seconds. Yes, believe me, you can calculate only in 3 seconds only. So let's start the video. So firstly we will see if there is single bond present. If there is single bond present, then there will be sigma bond. Then sorry, if there is single bond present, or we can say that there is sigma bond present, then there will be sp3 hybridization. Means there is single bond, or we can that say there is sigma bond. If there is sigma bond present anywhere in any chain, okay, then there will be always sp3 hybridization. Second point, if there is double bond, means one sigma and one pi bond, then there will be sp2 hybridization. Okay, the third point is if there is triple bonds are present, triple bonds are present, means 1 sigma 2 pi. Okay, 1 sigma 2 pi. Or if there is two double bonds are present, if there is two double bonds are present, two double bonds are present, then there will be sp hybridization. In short, we can say that the meaning of the first line is if there is sigma bonds present, mean there is single bond, or we can say that is there is sigma bond. Single bond means sigma bond. If there is sigma bond present, then without any confusion you should write there sp3 hybridization. And if there is multiple bonds are present, means double bonds are present, means one sigma and one pi bond present, then there will be sp2 hybridization. And if there is triple bonds are present, okay, if there is triple bonds are present, or if there is two double bonds are present, then there will be sp hybridization. So by using these three tricks you can calculate the sp3, sp2 and sp hybridization in any carbon atom. So let's see the example by which you can calculate. So friends, first example is given here, CH2 double bond CH. Then what will be hybridization on this carbon atom and this carbon atom? And if you had understood these 3 points, then you can easily calculate the hybridization. What will be their hybridization, sp3, sp2 or sp? So you can see here, carbon double bonds are present, means there will be hybridization. Which type of hybridization means friends? sp2. And there will be also hybridization sp2. Why there will be hybridization sp2? Because two bonds, double bonds are present. Okay, so by the second points you can calculate this question, hybridization. And now second question is given, ch3 single bond c triple bond ch. I hope By this example, your all doubts will be clear. So what will be hybridization on this carbon atom? I think sp3 hybridization, because there is single bond. What will be hybridization on this carbon atom? There is triple bond. Then what will be the hybridization? sp hybridization. And what will be the hybridization on this carbon atom? There will be also a sp hybridization, because we know that in sp hybridization one triple bond are present or two double bond are present. Now we will see one more example. CH3 CH double bond CH2. So what will be hybridization on this carbon atom? sp3 hybridization, because there is single bond present, means sigma bond present. What will be hybridization on this carbon atom? What will be hybridization? sp2 hybridization, because there is double bond present. What will be hybridization on this carbon atom? Due to double bond, here will be also a sp2 hybridization. Fourth question and last question. CH3C double bond C double bond C double bond CH2 CH3. What will be hybridization on this carbon atom? sp3 hybridization. Why? Because there is sigma bond, there is single bond. While what will be hybridization on this carbon atom? sp2. Why sp2? Because there is, you can see, multiple bonds are present, means double bond are present. So sp2 hybridization by this point. Okay. What will be hybridization on this carbon atom? sp3 hybridization, because there is, you can see, there is only sigma bond is present. What will be hybridization on this carbon atom? There will be also sp2 hybridization, because we know that in sp2 hybridization double bonds are present. What will be hybridization on this particle, this carbon? sp2 hybridization, because you can see double bonds are present. What will be hybridization on this carbon atom? There will be also sp2 hybridization. I hope by solving this question and by this trick, I hope you understand properly. And if you understand properly, then please like to my video, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos of mathematics, physics and chemistry. Thank you.